great experience. I hope this kind of teacher we could have in our colleges.
Is this all it's gonna be? Gold dust shimmers on my feet. They lay me down and the sky turned pink. And is this all it's gonna be? Gold dust shimmers on my feet. And they lay me down and the sky turned pink. Ay, ay. Umra mein sariyan ji liyan, roshni mein sariyan pee liyan. Ay, ay. Rangan di kahaniyan chak chak ke, main te ungaliyan chak gayiyan. Karta hai rab ka andhera, तुम दबा के वो तो भागेगा जब आएगा सवेरा. आसमान में सुराख तू बना दे, उस पर ही तो है ना दिन का बसेरा. Walking on a tightrope, singing in the lifeboat. Why they wanna medicate me like a sick joke? And I don't wanna let go, never mind trouble. And if I get a tummy ache, yeah, I'll just take a pep talk. Ay, ay. Umra mein sariyan ji liyan, roshni mein sariyan pee liyan. Ay, ay. Rangan di kahaniyan chak chak ke, main te ungaliyan chak gayiyan. So ride out 8 miles for the clouds. So don't worry about me now, worry about me now. And we both know I've been here all along. So don't worry when I'm gone, worry when I'm gone. लोरियां सुना नींदें आई, थकी थकी झपकी है आई. थोड़ी सी मोहलत है, खर्चेंगे होली से. गिनी चुनी सांस लाई लाई, सोचा ये था मैंने के गाई. छाती की गुल्लक है, खर्चेंगे होली से. खुली खुली आंखें ये ख्वाबों का झरोखा है. जाके जाके देखो तो सच होंगे भरोसा है. हर पल का तू मजा ले, धीरे से ओ बुद्धू डरना, जीने से तू. Walking on a tightrope, singing in the lifeboat. Why they wanna medicate me like a sick joke? And I don't wanna let go, never mind trouble. And if I get a tummy ache, yeah, I'll just take a pep talk. Ay, ay. Umra mein sariyan ji liyan, roshni mein sariyan pee liyan. Ay, ay. Rangan di kahaniyan chak chak ke, main te ungaliyan chak gayiyan. Ay, ay. I just wanna see you having fun for me, for me, for me, for me. Cause you and I know you feel the love for me, for me.
My name is Raju Sharma and we are from MG Institute of Management and Technology, Bandra. And we are here for a workshop and it was amazing workshop. It was too interesting and knowledgeable.
इट्स एन अमेजिंग वर्कशॉप एंड बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला जो हमें नहीं पता था और बहुत ही ईजिली उन्होंने चीज़ें समझाई, मतलब बहुत अच्छा।
My name is Anshika Singh from MGIMT College from Banthara, Lucknow. Today we have gathered here for an amazing workshop. We have learned a lot from this workshop, which is incredible and amazing as well. Thank you.
बहुत बढ़िया वर्कशॉप था.
यस सर, बहुत अच्छे सीखने को मिला काफ़ी कुछ।
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Adil. I am from RRGI, Lucknow. As we attended the software workshop, we get to know about the basic concept of machine learning, how the machine learning helps in our daily day-to-day life, and all the basic concepts of the machine learning. And we get to know the further discussion of the workshop also. Thank you.
Good afternoon. My name is Shrishti Gupta, and I'm from RR Group of Institute. And we have attended the SOFTPRO software workshop today, and it was a great experience with them. We have learned machine learning with the AI and many more things. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Muskan Yadav, and I am from RR Group of Institution. Today, we have attended the workshop related to machine learning, and it is very valuable for us because we learn about the real life applications or useful things that we are using related to ML. It is very valuable for us.
Good afternoon. My name is Vikas Yadav, and I am from RRGI. Today, we have attended a software workshop, which was basically for artificial intelligence and machine learning. Here, they explained us about machine learning concepts like supervised learning, reinforcement learning, and unsupervised learning. And they also told us in brief about Python.
My name is Harshvay. I am from RRJ. The workshop is based on MATLAB, based on ML, and they teach us from basics, from Python to machine learning.
Good afternoon. My name is Brijesh Mishra, and I am from IMT College, Greater Noida. This workshop we learned about the machine learning and artificial intelligence, which is very good from my side, and that's all from my side.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jankipuram. I am my college is IMT Group of Colleges, Greater Noida. This workshop is based on the machine learning and different things are important, and this workshop was very fruitful for my side, and lots of very things and very helpful for us. Thank you.
Hello, myself Rohit Kumar. I'm a B.Tech third year student from BCA College, and I want to say that I took this workshop of 3 days on machine learning, and I want to say that the concepts and the examples explained was excellent. The consultant Rohit sir and Mr. Brijesh sir were experts, like having a lot of experience, and we were truly able to see the experience that was coming from them, and we were really thankful for the AKTU and SOFTPRO India that helped us have this excellent workshop. Thank you.
Hey, good evening. My name is Alok Kumar and I am from District Committee and I am pursuing my B.Tech in Computer Science. आज का सेशन बहुत ही प्यारा रहा एंड ये ट्रेनिंग 3 दिन तक चली है हमारी और मशीन लर्निंग हमने सीखा है एंड ब्रिजेश सर का पढ़ाने का तरीका बहुत ही प्यारा रहा एंड दूसरा रोहित सर का तरीका मेरे को बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्यारा लगा, मतलब जस्ट लाइक बोल सकते हैं हम, बहुत ही प्यारा रहा उनका सर का एंड मैं बहुत सॉफ्टवेयर का बहुत थैंकफुल हूँ कि मुझे ऐसी ट्रेनिंग प्रोवाइड हुई और मैं ये चीज़ कहना चाहूँगा कि ऐसी ट्रेनिंग हमें बार बार मिले क्योंकि कॉलेजेस में हमें इतना ट्रेनिंग नहीं मिल पाता, मतलब रियल कोडिंग को करने का जो हमें चीज़ एक्सपीरियंस होनी चाहिए वो चीज़ें नहीं मिल पाती हैं. थैंक यू सो मच सॉफ्टवेयर इंडिया.